This is a 35 pack of kids' white aprons for artists and chefs and birthday parties galore. I was sent these to review from Handy Post, so let me show you a closer look. We got 35 kids' aprons here. This is one. You've got a long necktie that's going to feed in here on the other side, so it's going to be adjustable. Just adjust right here, up and down. You've got a great pocket right in the front that's actually divided. So you've got two nice big spots here where they could put utensil, their spoon, a jar of sprinkles if you're making cookies perhaps. And then you've got a tie on each side. I'm really impressed with the stitching and everything. It seems really durable. Like, look at that. They are 100% polyester and it recommends machine wash cold. Do not bleach. You can line dry or iron, and it says size ages 7 to 13. I am 5'8", 130 pounds, so we'll just do this for reference of size. Honestly, it could fit me. I'm tying it nice and snug, but there's room for somebody much bigger. You could actually have it like, look at this, like there's actually a lot of room here. Personally, when my kids are baking and stuff, I want the full like shirt and the counter area to be covered to protect them from splatter and whatnot. Yes, these are really nice. I am impressed. I love how crisp and white they are, and the pockets. And if you're doing like a cooking themed birthday party, for example, to have these that the kids can customize with like iron-on patches and sticky rhinestones and stuff, markers, paint, they could decorate these and then they can all make cookies together or pizza or whatever you're doing. Like, that is such a fun party idea. These are so great. It is a 35 pack, so great for a huge birthday party or a class party at school, a camp, whatever.